Seriously, I don't understand how you cannot see that this is a mistake. Jesus Christ, use your brain, this is obviously wrong. How to politely say that they are stupid? I think there might be a misunderstanding here. Let me clarify this, it's a bit more complex than it seems. I'm not sure this is the best way forward, maybe we can rethink this? I appreciate your input, but the facts suggest otherwise. In public, be diplomatic, but in private, there's no filter. I'm serious. I mean it.
I mean it, Foolie.
You are amazing. You rock.
All you rock, you're upbeat.
It's not my problem. Not my business.
That's not my business. But
I am leaving. I'm out.
I'm sorry, but I'm out.
Relax. Chill.
I had more time to just chill on the couch.
Be quiet. Shut it.
Turned to their militaries and said, shut it down.
You are lying. Cut the crap.
All right, it's time to cut the crap and get to brewing.
Are you joking? You gotta be kidding me.
You gotta be kidding me, right?
Words that students pronounce incorrectly. Number 1. You might think that it sounds like colonel or something like this, but it's colonel actually. Number 2. Choir? No, it's choir. Number 3. When you look at this word, you might think that you should break your tongue pronouncing this, but no, it's actually so much easier and it's only one letter. It's Q. Number 4. Everyone knows that this is clothes or close. It's closer to close. Can you read number 5? Lingerie? No, lingerie. Number 6. You might think that this sounds like bouquet, but no, this is a French word, so it sounds like bouquet. And the last one, number 7, is it yacht? No, it's yacht. See, the way you pronounce certain sounds affects the meaning of a word and the sense of a phrase. That's why learning phonetics is just as important as learning grammar. If you've never thought about this or don't know how to read this, then try LolaSpeak app. AI recognizes your speech and points out sound mistakes. You will find lessons on English sounds, learn how to pronounce them, see important speech patterns, and practice right away. And the app is called LolaSpeak. Kiss the ground means to die. To burn the midnight oil means to work or study late into the night. Buttering the biscuit means to make someone happy. Wanna sound like a real American? Then you gotta know your idioms and slang. With LolaSpeak app, it's easy. There is a whole section where native speakers spill the tea and explain phrases from their real lives. No boring dictionaries. Just fun, real talk plus listening practice with native vibes. Download LolaSpeak app on App Store or Google Play, or just tap in and level up your English the fun way.